Exuding a powerful lemony scent, this orchid possesses lovely golden-hued blooms with drooping petals resembling drops of honey. This orchid isn't native to Singapore, but we have included it in our collection for its beautiful citrus scent. Calming benefits are infused in our fragrances, giving off a gentle, easing attribute that helps fight stress and tension from daily lives. These benefits come from the therapeutic orchids in our fragrances. Medicinally, these orchids can also help to promote good health. Let's find out more. This therapeutic orchid can be consumed as a decoction or made into a paste to be applied topically. In both uses, it helps in nourishing yin and reducing heat, and hence is also used as a beneficial remedy for sore throat, tonsillitis, ulcers, and fever. This next orchid is mainly used to improve and treat lungs and respiratory-related conditions and diseases, such as pulmonary silicosis, tuberculosis, and bronchitis. It also removes toxins, treats coughs, and clears phlegm in our throat. To create an even more interesting scent, we have added in other notes such as oak and rosemary to add some depth to the otherwise lemony fragrance. Oak provides the composition with an aromatic, woody aroma tinged with earthy nuances. Rich and pleasant, it also has amazing longevity, which is always welcome in any perfume. With its astringent properties, oak helps in improving skin condition where infection occurs. Its warm undertones and anti-inflammatory properties not only soothes and lifts our spirit, but also helps in improving our respiratory system. Fresh, camphorous, and woody is what many people identify rosemary scent as, and some would even say it smells like lavender or eucalyptus. Rosemary is widely desired not only as garnishes in food, but also for its medicinal and aromatic benefits. Many studies show that its fragrance is a great brain stimulator, providing better focus while improving cognitive memory. At the same time, it acts as a great mental relaxant by reducing stress-inducing hormones. The distinctive citrus lemony tone remains the key accord in this fragrance composition. Mixed with splashes of aromatic woody hues, it takes on a new energy, bursting with life and fun, yet with a lingering sense of warmth.